just amen. And for protecting our loved ones. What?
Did I get a real kiss this time?
Yeah.
Instead of kissing my microphone? Alright, we're clear. Oh, hi.
I don't know if I can see.
Meadow Lake traffic, Cessna 437, taxi runway 5.
Ben must be working on that annual.
I wonder why they make those so tall when the planes aren't even really that tall.
What? There's the tails.
But they really don't need that much. Look, see that?
Yeah.
Hi. Who's that?
I have no idea. Working on that new engine though. Unless it's the owner of that. That thing got a brand new crate engine. Phew.
What? What does that mean?
Expensive.
Oh, like 50,000?
Oh no, more than that. Probably with everything more than that. Alright. We are at 760, 760. Let's do one more quick runny. Carpeet's good.
Why is there no data for the METAR?
Mag left is good. Where? Oh, because we haven't picked it up yet. Once we get up in the air. Alright, ready to hit?
Ready.
Okay.
Don't think there's any birds.
Here we go. Airspeed's alive. We're green, we're green. We're at 25. 63. Alright, so rotating.
Oh yeah, I didn't
about
touch
70-ish.
Oops.
Scanning, make sure everyth's good.
Oh, through the deer!
Deer?
Yeah.
Oh.
On the tree line.
Oh, okay.
Little breezy.
A little bit. Feel like we're catching a little bit of a tail now that we're up. It's definitely hot. Alright, so we're still climbing, still keeping it around 70, 72. I always like to turn towards this island just in case we had an engine out. We could potentially float and land right there.
Yep. I can't tell if there's anybody around us like that.
Yeah, I know. Switch it to this view. Again, it doesn't do it till we get in the air, so. So clouds don't look horrible. Look actually pretty clear down there, don't they?
Where?
Towards Collegedale.
Oh. I think so.
So do you want to go direct? Go straight to Collegedale?
And then just come home?
And then, yeah, I mean, we can hit Chilhowie on the way back. Or
If you want to.
That sounds like a helicopter.
Yeah, it was. I can't hear it though.
X-ray has you in sight. We'll be crossing midfield, departing to the northwest.
So to go to Collegedale, we pretty much fly down the valley. So actually, we probably should have just took off on 5, but that's all right. We'll just circle around.
Well, we'll get there at like what, 12?
I don't know.
No, 12:30?
Let me back all these things out of here.
Oh, why? Why don't you just do that?
Because this will tell me. So right now, 34 minutes. Wait a minute.
Oh, that's not bad.
That don't look right. Activate. Yes.
Hopper Springs traffic,
Oh.
X-rays departing to the northwest.
It'll go down once we
Springs.
level off here. Just like it did last time. Of course, I think there is a headwind. Yeah, there is. Be nice to get above those clouds. Would be nice, wouldn't it?
No? Why?
So we get some more altitude.
Above the clouds?
What are we at? 23? They're probably at like 3.
But if we get above the clouds, you can't see.
Hey.
Huh?
What do you mean?
Below us.
I mean, we can see.
Oh. Which way are we going? Northeast?
Southeast.
Oh. Oh, we're going through clouds.
A little misty. There's this low layer of clouds here, so we probably should keep climbing to get above them since we got a nice hole here.
Cold.
Hole.
It's cold.
Oh, yeah. It's at 70 coming out of the vent.
This is your favorite thing.
Pretty nice, isn't it?
So you can't ever complain because you're doing it.
Those little puppers over there don't look very good, though, I can tell you that.
Where?
There.
Those aren't little.
Yeah, I know. Especially that one.
Oh, wow, that's tall.
Yeah.
Are we going that way?
No, but hopefully don't go that way.
Yeah, but you look.
Yeah, I did.
It's cool because there's even clouds way below us right now.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to get up above them. So clouds is not coming on here.
Hey, now it's saying we're even farther away.
Oh, we're still climbing.
There's a guy coming over there. I don't know how far he is, but I can't tell on your screen again.
28.
Oh, no, he's far. No, this one. The 28's not even on there.
Oh, he's 1,600 below.
Yeah.
But we're going to start dropping altitude here soon. What are we, 23 miles out?
Approach runway 20.
There we go.
Notum. Runway 20 out of Mercer, out of service. Taxiway Charlie closed between runway 15 and taxiway Delta. Taxiway Delta closed between the T hangars and Wilson East ramp. All pilots will read back to instructions. Stars our initial contact via hotel.
Traffic, start closing studio to a phase 1.
Hotel 1530. Wind variable at 4. Weather better than 5005. Temperature 30, dew point 22. Altimeter 3016. Remarks, frequent lightning, in clouds.
Greenville traffic.
We're breaking to the left. I'm going to try to go right through this hole here and start dropping down. And then pretty much we follow the highway straight in. Plus it'll give us a buffer against that. Plus we got to get down to 26 anyway.
There's more over there.
Yeah, that's moving that way. Look at that. We're going to dive under this cloud layer. Level off here at about 3. We're going to have to drop underneath this cloud a little bit. Might get a little bumpy in a sec. See that bird up there?
No.
Jeez, that thing's at like 3,500 feet.
I wonder how they can breathe.
I mean, I wonder how long it takes them to get up there.
Cargo traffic, looking at 382's left base 19, Cargo.
Just got to get under that 2,600 shelf.
Cargo traffic, Phoenix 382's left downwind 19, Cargo.
I think that's the airport right there. That little bare spot in the middle of the trees. Right underneath that cloud.
Oh yeah, I see that.
Pretty sure that's it. So if we go this way around the right side of that mountain, cross midfield, come back around on 2-1.
Collegedale traffic, Cessna 437, about 5 miles to the north. We'll be overflying midfield for runway 21, Collegedale.
It's definitely windy down there, at least on the water.
Huh. Nice houses out here.
Yeah. Somebody got a dirt bike track.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a cool Victorian right there.
There's an all black house down there.
Cargo traffic, looking at 382's left downwind 19, Cargo.
Collegedale traffic, Cessna 437, 3 miles to the north. While we're flying midfield, runway 21, Collegedale.
Hey, Cargo traffic, jumpers away, 12,500.
Jumpers away. That's 1,400.
I know.
That's a airliner.
He's getting lower.
Yeah.
Cargo traffic,
Oh yeah, right there.
We're right under the shelf, yeah.
Runway 19,
That's a Delta.
and we'll be departing on the downwind to the north, Cargo.
Oh gosh, there's no way I'm gonna be able to.
Yeah, no, it's gonna get. I told you it's gonna get bumpy through here.
In the air over Greenville, did not over.
Oh, they got laser beams?
Teardrop.
Aliens, I guess.
For only 19, Cartersville.
Well, this is definitely an interesting approach.
Collegedale Valley 902 helicopter is 8 miles northwest. We're northeastbound at 3,000.
Collegedale traffic, Cessna 437, overflying midfield, be entering downwind for runway 21. Full stop, Collegedale.
It looks pretty calm, right to left crosswind, so it's about what I expected.
Cargo traffic, Skyhawk 45 Tango, departing the pattern to the north, Cargo.
They really do sound the same.
Yeah, they do. They probably shouldn't be on the same frequency.
Yeah.
Cargo traffic, Phoenix 271, overflying the field at 2,300. Join the left tier, right tier,
Clear downwind.
left downwind for only 19,
Yep.
Cartersville. 69 uniform, yep.
Call new development down there going in.
Collegedale traffic, Cessna 437 on downwind, 21, full stop, Collegedale.
Downwind 21, full stop, Cleveland. Is that you, Cole? It's me, who's that? What's up, dude? I knew that voice. It's Dawson. Dawson, what's up, buddy?
So we're gonna cut around this hill here.
Collegedale traffic, Cessna 437 on base, 21, full stop, Collegedale.
Cleveland traffic, Valley 902, 8 miles to the north, northeastbound, 2,700 descent, 2,500, looking for the medevac.
Alright. Looks like a bird on final.
Huh, can't even see it.
Collegedale traffic, Cessna 437 on final, 21, full stop, Collegedale.
Weird being in the mountains.
Right? It's an interesting approach through here, huh?
The trees, yeah.
Traffic with Phoenix. Runway 19, Cleveland, Twin Cessna, Kilo Whiskey, 7 to the south. Entering downwind 21, full stop, Cleveland.
Man, I feel like it hot, huh?
You what?
Feels like it got 15 degrees hotter all of a sudden.
Oh, yeah.
Trying to slow it down. There we go. That's a little better.
It's a hill.
Yeah, we like that.
Oh.
Come on.
Floater.
A little bit.
Do you like a hill?
Yeah, helps you slow down.
Oh. Well, finally you did it.
We did it. Cross country, complete.
Yay, you're happy now for a couple days at least?
Nope.
Figured.
Collegedale Airport, Cessna 437, clear of accident. Collegedale.
Man,
I know, it's hot.
it like,
I wonder if it's hotter here.
literally, as soon as we turned base, I could feel it. It was like, boom, humid, hot.
Cleveland, Twin Cessna, Kilo Whiskey, left downwind 21, full stop, Cleveland.
600,
the winds are calm, actually.
21, Cleveland.
That's good.
How far away are you, Ben?
Take off this way.
I am about a mile and a half and going to be crossing midfield.
All right, we made it, and another cross country in the books, another new airport unlocked, mission accomplished. See ya.